Welcome back guys, Namaste to you all in Sahana's Life, Sahana's World. Like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So today we are going to learn about the beautiful and majestic bird Swan. So before we get into the video, I really quickly want to apologize for not posting for so long. Actually, I had to prepare for my examination and I couldn't take my time out to make these videos as they take a lot of time and effort to make. So I'm really sorry, and let's get into the video and learn about some swans. Swans are birds of the family Anaeidae within the genus Cygnus. The swan's closest relatives include the geese and the ducks. There are 6 living and many extinct species of swans, which include the mute swan, the jumper swan, the tundra swan, the whooper swan, the black swan, the black-necked swan, and the Koskoroba swan. The species known as the Koskoroba swan, which is no longer considered one of the true swans. Swans feed in water and on land. They are almost entirely herbivorous, although they might eat small amounts of aquatic animals. In dabbling, and their diet is composed of roots, tubers, stems, and leaves of aquatic and submerged plants. Swans famously mate for life and typically bond even before they reach their breeding age. Divorce do rarely occur. One study of mute swans showing 3% rate for pairs that breed successfully and 90% for pairs that do not. The pair bonds are maintained year-round, even in gregarious and migratory species like tundra swan, which congregate in large flock in winter grounds. Swans' nests are on the ground near water and about a meter across. Unlike many other ducks and geese, the male helps with the nest construction and will also take turn incubating the eggs. Alongside whistling ducks, swans are the only Anaeid that will do this. Swans are highly protective of their nests. They will viciously attack anything that they perceive as a threat to their chicks, including humans. Swan meat was regarded as a luxury food in England in the reign of Elizabeth I. Facts about swans. A group of wild swan is known as a herd. However, a group in captivity are called a fleet. Swans are highly intelligent and remember who has been kind to them or not. In 2001, a man in Ireland broke his leg by a swan when he was trying to provoke it. Swans can fly as fast as 60 miles per hour. Swans' eggs take between 35 to 42 days to hatch. A baby swan is called a cygnet. A swan can have over 25,000 feathers in its body. Swans live for approximately 20 to 30 years. Several species are migratory or partially migratory, while some are population resistant. The mute swan is a partial migrant, being resistant over areas of Western Europe but wholly migratory in Eastern Europe and Asia. The whooper swan, the tundra swan, and the temper swan is fully migratory. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys learned something new about swans. So that's all for this video. Meet you guys in my next video. Till then, keep watching Sahana's Life, Sahana's World. Bye!